using PubMed API in our project to retrieve the medical data for the creation of our ontology. So this is the data set where we're going to collect the data, and then we're doing lemmatization, stop word removal, and TF-IDF. So if you see here in the code, I'm doing stop word, lemmatization, and then the TF-IDF, I'm saving my TF-IDF data here. So these are the TF-IDF words uh, that I obtained after doing it on my data set. And next is OpenIE. So I did OpenIE on my data set here in Spark OpenIE, and then I'm saving it in my I'm saving it in my file called this, where we have around 173 uh, triplets that we obtained. And then for the obtained triplets, I'm doing I'm comparing it with my TF-IDF values here, and then I'm saving it in my new triplets, which contain only the triplets which were present as the words of which were present in TF-IDF. So my new triplet contains 110 triplets. And then the next phase is, so this is the part we are done. And then we did k-means clustering on the triplets that we obtained. So here is the k-means clustering. We are taking 10 clusters initially, and then we are saving all these. We are mapping the whole data set here. If you can see in the pre-processing, we are using the whole triplet to match against other triplets, and we are saving all the clusters in files. So here are our clusters. So if you see in cluster 1, these are the clusters we have obtained. So we are performing LDA on these clusters here, and then we are saving it. And so for the first cluster, this is the first LDA for the first cluster. So if you see here, I have the result for the first cluster, which says since the score of obesity is high, I'm taking obesity as a class for this cluster, and then all others becomes the individuals or the instances of obesity. So here obesity, then we have link obesity, established obesity, and since the other two are obesities as well, we are ignoring it. So we'll have only two instances for obesity, link obesity and established obesity. So this is how we have done our processing. And if you see our ONT constructor, these are the triplets we obtained after uh, the processing, and these are the object properties, individuals, classes, data properties, and others. So this is our ontology, and thank you for watching the video.